and welcome to my channel. I wanted to share my latest design team project for ASC Craft Supplies, and they have 2 web stores, and I'll leave a link to both of those in the description box below. Remember to use the coupon code Michelle10 for 10% off, and if you purchase $75 or more, you will receive free shipping. And what I have created is this slider bookcase, and it's for a swap in the Facebook group Loaded Envelope Galore and More. And we followed a tutorial by Tmika, who has scrapped the world, and I'll leave a link to her in case you don't know who she is in the description box below. And the paper that I used is the Prima Golden Coast collection. It's this beautiful peachy pink collars with these floral clusters, and it has the seahorses on this paper and seashells. It's just a beautiful collection. So I've used that to, of course, cover my bookcase. But isn't this a beautiful collage on the back? It's beautiful. Just love the colors. So pretty. And I did add these metal pieces. I painted them white and just thought it added some texture on the sides. And then I did cut one of the flower ones in half and tuck it in behind my cut aparts. And I used some flowers from my stash, and I used some of the chipboard stickers in between the cut aparts, as well as I put one here. And then I put some beads on the top for just decorative purposes, and I did put some feet on the bottom. So we'll take our boxes out and see here, get it open. And I made some embellishments. We were to include some embellishments in our boxes, and I did line the inside of the boxes so you can see some more of the beautiful paper. There we go. Made these 2 pretty rosettes with some flowers from my stash, and the paper is just beautiful, and it cuts really nice in my Cricut or my silhouette. So I think this was a Cricut rosette foul, so it has like the waves along the edge, which I thought was really pretty. And then I just punched out some of the decorative paper. This one had a shell and some flowers, and then this one had the flowers, as you can see. And we'll take a closer look at the box, but here you can see another example of the beautiful collage on the paper. So pretty. And the flowers, and then that's what I had on the front, so you can see the dream from the front. And then the other box looks like this. It's just a gorgeous collection. And in this one, I made some sunglass shakers. So you can see the sequins in there. So love how those came out. I thought they were really cute. And then I created these little beach totes. And Natalie made these for me as well, which I thought was so funny that we both did the same cut foul. So 2 of those. And then I have some flowers I made her. And then I also made her some little name tags. And then this one is lined the same way as the other one. And we were to create, I think, 2 tags that were 3x5. So these are my tags that I created, and I love how these came out, and they are shakers. It's so pretty. The paper is just beautiful, and these flowers I thought really complemented the paper collection with the peachy pinks. So I just did a mirror image for the mermaid, so it would be, you know, I would have 2 going different directions. I forgot to show the inside of the box, so you can see the hot air balloons. So pretty, and the paper on the bottom. It's just a gorgeous collection. So make sure to check it out on ASC Craft Supplies. I will leave a link to the stores in the description box below. Remember to use the coupon code Michelle10 for 10% off. And if you purchase $75 or more, you receive free shipping. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment. And have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.